The reason Dutch Harbor is here and the reason the APL terminal is here is because of the fishing industry. A good percentage of the frozen fish that people eat down in lower 48 and elsewhere in the world come from this area. And so all of the fish that is caught, then processed and put in refrigerated containers and loaded onto the vessel, that's all perishable, even though it's refrigerated. And it's all very, very expensive. One single container is probably worth $1 million. Having trucks available so they can move containers to the dock so they can be loaded onto the ship is very important, because time is money, and when a vessel is tied up at dock, it's not making any money, and it's usually costing tens of thousands of dollars an hour while it's there.
Our customer ordered the new Hyster container handlers to start cycling out some of the older equipment that they have in Dutch Harbor.
What we offered was a comprehensive package. It was a package that included bringing the trucks to the Port of Tacoma, transferring them to Seattle, assembling them in Seattle.
Once these Hyster container handlers are ordered, they're actually built in Nijmegen in the Netherlands and Europe. The machines are fully built in that plant and assembled and tested before they're broken down and then loaded on a ro-ro ship and shipped from Belgium to Tacoma, Washington. Once they get here, they are cleared through U.S. Customs, and then we pick them up and bring them to a site to assemble them and then test them and send them out on the barge.
They drove off completely assembled and ready to go to work.
The weather and the environment in Dutch Harbor is very harsh, with high winds and rain nearly all through the year. The timing of this project is critical with the upcoming fishing and crabbing season, where our customer is going to be running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and cannot afford to have downtime in equipment. They need to be running and shipping product as much as possible.
We made changes, design changes to the truck. The comfort of the cab, it's ergonomically correct, very comfortable, air ride, deluxe air ride seat, to the paint quality to extend the life of the truck so that we got minimum 20,000 plus hours of life out of a top pick that we expect to get. And quite honestly, a lot of these trucks, you're looking at 35,000 hours of operation, which is extensive.
The new fleet of Hyster H1150HD container handlers will allow our customer the maximum amount of uptime and the maximum productivity.